Want to turn your dreams into reality faster than ever? Here are the powerful steps to manifest your desires effortlessly. Define your desire. Be specific about what you want. Affirm, I know what I truly desire. Visualize with emotion. Imagine your desire as if it's already true. Feel the joy of having it. Affirm, I can see and feel my dreams coming to life. Live in the end. Act as if your desire has already manifested. Affirm, I embrace the feelings of my success. Release doubt. Let go of negative thoughts that block your manifestation. I trust the process and welcome my desires. Take inspired action. Be open to opportunities that come your way. Affirm, I am ready to act on my dreams. Use these tips to manifest your desires quickly and effortlessly.